Hello and welcome to this December 22nd, 2010 video version of InvestEd Central's Chart of the Day. I'm Tom Boley, InvestEd Central's Chief Market Strategist, and it's my pleasure to provide you today's Chart of the Day. This Chart of the Day is brought to you by StockCharts.com, simply the web's best financial charts. Today we're taking a look at Tanzanian Royalty Exploration Corp, ticker symbol TRE. This is more than a $600 million basic materials company. Looking at the chart, technically you can see the flagpole here as the stock went straight up. If you kind of compress all of these candlesticks into like one, it's just this continuous move to the upside that represents a flagpole. And then this sideways action that we've seen develop over the last 2.5 to 3 months is the flag that's gone into play. Now, technically, I like the fact that the MACD has broken back above the center line, is pointing straight up. I also like the volume trends, especially over the last couple of weeks. The last 2 days, you can see we've had very strong volume, but even going back into last week, you can see a few pretty strong volume days as the stock begins to move higher and as the MACD turns upward above the center line. In order to confirm this move to the upside, I'd like to see it close over about 710 with this similar type of volume coming in. That to me would be a breakout of this flag pattern. And when you take a look back at the flagpole, when you break above the flag, you actually can tack on the length of the flagpole to that breakout point to determine the measurement, the ultimate measurement. So in this case, we're looking at about $5.10 to about $7.60, which is $2.50. So if you break out above 710, you can tack on 250, and that takes you up to the 960 level. Which is pretty exciting. Now, this is a development stage type of company, so you want to be careful. I would only suggest this as a possible trade to aggressive traders. Another possible confirmation point would be watching the RSI. Normally, in a sideways to downtrending stock or index, you normally don't see the RSI break above 60. So if we do make this breakout, we've got the MACD supporting it. A break on the RSI above 60 would also add to the argument that we have started an uptrend. So watch for this breakout at 710. To the downside, the stock really hasn't closed below 660 over the last few weeks, in December at least. And as a result, I think all of these tails are providing pretty strong support. So I'd watch that level to the downside. So I think in the near term, TRE looks pretty interesting, but to confirm this breakout, we want to see a move through 710, get that confirming volume, watch the MACD point higher, and hopefully push the RSI up through the 60 level. I hope you've enjoyed our presentation today. Be sure to check out our chart of the day every day at InvestedCentral.com. While you're there, sign up for our free weekly Market Pulse newsletter and have the chart of the day emailed directly to you. Happy trading.